How to make money with Clickbank for free. Do you know the most popular and easy to do affiliate marketing type has $5 billion for affiliate marketers, that too without launching any product or business? Before that, let's talk about affiliate marketing. We all know what affiliate marketing is. All of us must have heard about Amazon and dropshipping. Well, to earn dollar money from these platforms, you should be having some business with product or some e-commerce store website. And then a lot of SEO, optimizations and marketing hassle is needed. Then only you can sell your product or others' product to make some money. A lot of investment and learning are required for this money-making model. This fails most of the newbies. What if you start making dollar money without owning any business or product and just with some clicks and shares right from your first sale? What if I teach you all the possible ways to earn money from the best and highest rated and free affiliate marketing platform? Here, what I'm talking about is that you would only be needing traffic driven to your link. The more traffic, the more the chances of sales. These are platforms that provide higher commissions and are relatively easy to earn money, up to 75% commission on just a single sale. We are going to talk about one of such leading platforms, the Clickbank. Clickbank is biggest cheese in the digital and affiliate product market. In this video, we will unearth the business model of Clickbank and conventional and hidden methods that people are already using to make hundreds and thousands of dollars. Look guys, the truth is you don't have to spend any money to learn how to do it. I will not be asking you to buy an online course or my products to learn how to use Clickbank to start making hundreds of dollars per day. I have put a lot of my time and effort, so you don't need to research and experiment as I have done this myself. And I'm going to share all of my practical and proven strategies with you. All I'm asking you guys is to watch the video completely. Don't forget to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I will be bringing more videos on Clickbank and quick ways to make money. So let's start the video. When I heard about Clickbank, and I found out that it is like an affiliate marketing place where people were making a lot of money actually without having to create or sell their products. Instead of having you do your product research, branding, shipping and handling, someone else could literally do that and you could just do a little bit of marketing, right? This is what hyped me to make a video for you guys, as I want for all of you to make passive income. You can find yourself making hundreds and thousands of dollars per day. Clickbank is the easiest to use and pays the highest commission rates. This platform pays up to $240 for each sale, one of the highest commission rate in the industry. This website receives 600 million visitors every month. Started in 1998, they have paid over $5 billion to sellers and marketers, and their reach is to millions of customers all over the world. 1. First of all, we will be signing up to create an account. 2. Secondly, we will be choosing a product and generating its affiliate link. 3. Thirdly, we will be marketing the product link through free and paid methods. So first things first, we need to create a Clickbank account. And I will be taking you through every step here when creating an account because it's pretty straightforward. So go ahead and create an account. They require email, a password, a strong one of course. We can't compromise on that. And you have to put in your banking details. Otherwise, they will send you a physical paper check every month depending on your location and what country you are in. After your account is created, you have to find some good products. Click on Marketplace, and this is where you are going to find products that you are looking to promote. You can choose any niche, but the most profitable ones are going to be likely with money making, which is going to be business, software, or health and fitness. So click on your selection and sort the products by ranking or gravity. For quick sales, I recommend you choose products that don't have a high initial conversation as these products are expected to have high sales in coming days. You have to be very careful while choosing a product. If you have selected the wrong product or a product with high competition or high gravity score, all of your marketing tactics may fail. I suggest new users to choose products having gravity from 10 to 50 or 60. When you are starting affiliate marketing on Clickbank, choosing a product is not an easy task. Here is help for you. You can go to sebengen.com and can choose products that are recommended by experts. There are a lot of other filters to search products. Don't forget to check those. You can even search for products with the highest commission rate. Once you have selected a product, click on promotion and copy your affiliate link. Shorten your link using bit.ly.com or cut.ly. But I prefer cut.ly because of its unique design. This is the affiliate link you will be sending traffic to. Now, here comes the real target, the traffic to your link. Either you can get free marketing or paid marketing. You just have to find where your audience is and how to approach them. Number 1. Free marketing. Free or organic traffic sources including putting the link in a YouTube video description, promoting it on QA sites like Quora.com, in Telegram or WhatsApp groups, and you can share it on your Facebook pages, groups, and on Instagram as well. An affiliate link posted on a high traffic blog could generate hundreds of dollars in commission. Another free method is you can promote your product through email marketing. Soon you realize how important it is to build an audience in your email list. Things will start getting better. Number 2. Paid marketing. Paid marketing is more stable, consistent, and targeted. You get to define your audience, boost your clicks, more conversions, and faster sales. Some great sources that experts use for paid affiliate marketing are running targeted and call to action ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest ads. Here is a fun fact. Women make up 80% of Pinterest users. Next, you know what to do, and if you don't, you can ask me in comment section. Let me give you some expert advice. The more relevant and targeted the traffic is, the more will be the sales. If you have generated an affiliate link of some men's product like beard growth oil and you are promoting your link by targeting both genders, it will deprive you of roughly 50% sales. So be smart while promoting your affiliate link. So which one is your favorite method? If you couldn't understand any concept, you can ask me in the comment section. Alternate to Clickbank. Keeping in mind affiliate marketing, there is a number of other different affiliate networks out there. Clickbank is not the only one. We have tried other platforms like CG Affiliates, JVZoo, and Share a Sale. But every platform comes with limited products and pros and cons. According to our conclusion, Clickbank is the best among all. That's all for today. This was our first video on Clickbank, and we will be bringing more an advanced method to earn quick money from Clickbank. Want to learn more? Press the subscribe button and click the thumbs up, as more exciting videos are on their way. Thank you.